Love and light, everyone. My name is Shauna here in Orlando, Florida with Glamour Kids Braids and Multicultural Training Center. Today I'm just going to show you all how to refresh your child's box braids. Right now we have my 8-year-old client. She has goddess box braids with beads. So the first step is after you take the bonnet off. What I have here to moisturize, I have a 5-in-1 Wonder Spray. It also includes some flaxseed, avocado oil, and a castor oil. It detangles, nourishes, protects from heat, reduces frizz, and gives it a shine. So what I want to do is just start off with a little moisture. And this will go on throughout the hair and scalp. You want to use your fingers to go in between the braids if your child has very itchy or dry scalp. Make sure you go underneath. Spray it on the braids as well.
Put it in, please.
Okay, so after we do a little moisturizing, you want to go ahead and go in with your oil. We have the E-Blast. My favorite is the Aunt Jackie's E-Blast Vitamin E Flaxseed Nourishing Scalp. So I also just spray it along here on her scalp. If you want to apply it to your hands, you can apply it to your hands to go along the edges. Always use it on the scalp and also the braids. And this will seal in the moisture. You want to go ahead and apply some on your hands as well. Rub it. Take a section and go throughout the braids. Okay. So my client here have the large goddess locks for kids. And this is a little bit below shoulder length.
Nailed it.
Okay, so after I've done that, if you want to go ahead and moisturize the curls, what I do, I like to take some mousse, so either some curl mousse, some foam, setting foam, anyone that you like. And this is It's Natural. I like to go through the section of where I have the free tress water wave curls, and that will keep them from being so frizzy. Try to make this quick as possible. This should only take you about 5 minutes to refresh. If the curls seem to tangle, what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and just go in and cut off the pieces that seem like they're real strangly. Go ahead and cut that. You can cut them shorter if you want. That's up to you. Depends on how active your child is. Okay. so after you've done your moisturizing, a little oil in the back. What I'm going to do is just take my edge brush here. I'm going to go along the back where I put the oil and some of the moisturizer. I just want to brush gently. Okay, now where the edges are, one of my favorite products here, this is the Black Panther. Sorry if you guys can see it. Black Panther, it's a purplish color. Hold your head up for me, please. Okay. So I'm just going to apply some here. But what you want to do first is take your edge brush, brush out the edges. Look up for me. Okay. You're going to take a nice amount. Go ahead and apply it to the edges. Sorry, guys. Go ahead and apply it to the edges like so. I just recommend using just a small amount, not too much. Okay. And go in with your edge brush. Make those edges smooth as possible. If you want to get real creative with it, you can go ahead and do a couple swoops. It's up to you. Okay. Look up for me, honey. Ta-da. This is what we have. Like I said, if you want to go ahead and add some more oil or a little bit more moisturizer, you can. It won't hurt. If you think the curls are really, really dry, go ahead and add some more foam, some curl mousse. So that will keep the style in a little bit longer. All right, so look up for me.